What if I told you there's an online side hustle you can start without inventory, expensive courses, or a big social following, and you may already own everything you need to start? I'm talking about your phone and the products sitting around your house. I started doing this with basically zero startup cost. Today, I'm going to show you exactly what it is and how it works. And no, this is not one of those make $10,000 this weekend videos. If you're new here, I'm Nana. This channel is about figuring out online income after 50 without making it much harder than it needs to be. You might think you need a website or thousands of followers or expensive equipment. You really don't. Today, I want to show you the Amazon Influencer Program. This is very different from being an Amazon seller. You are not buying inventory or shipping products yourself. You are simply creating helpful videos about products you use. Amazon places those videos right on their product pages. Here's exactly how this works. You apply at affiliatehyphen.program.amazon.com/influencers. That's the influencer side, not the regular associates program, and that distinction matters. I've got a whole video breaking down associates versus influencer. So if you're not sure which one fits you, go watch that one. First link's in the description. Once you're accepted, you get your own Amazon storefront page, and you download the Influencer app. That app is where the real difference is. You film short videos reviewing products, and Amazon attaches those videos directly onto the product page itself. That's what's called an on-site commission. You're not sending people off to some outside link, like traditional affiliate marketing. Your video sits right there where people are already about to buy, and you earn a commission when they do. That's the whole mechanism. No inventory, no shipping, no chasing anyone down. You're helping somebody decide, is this actually worth buying? That is something those of us over 50 are actually pretty good at. We know what works and what doesn't. We're not just chasing trends. You don't need to go out and buy new products to start. Just walk through your house, your kitchen, garage, or even garden. I just use my phone. You don't need a fancy studio. A simple window can give you perfectly good lighting, and you don't have to turn into some 20-year-old dancing on TikTok, which personally was very good news for me. A good product video is simple. Pick it up, show it, and explain it. Show it being used whenever you can. That's what people want to see. You don't need to sound like an advertisement. Sound like a human. Share why you bought it and what you wish were different. That's the point. Now, how does the money happen? You're not paid just for uploading. You earn commissions when shoppers watch and then make qualifying purchases. This is about building a little library of digital salespeople. One video might earn very little, but dozens or hundreds? That's interesting. Mistake number 1, going shopping for products right away. I wouldn't. Start with what you already own. Learn the process before spending a dime. Don't expect instant income. This takes consistency and learning. But as a low-risk way to learn online income, it's pretty fascinating. If you want to start tomorrow, walk through your house and list 20 products. Check if they're on Amazon, pick 5, and film simple 60-second videos. Just answer, why did I buy it? What do I like? And who is it for? Your first videos probably won't be your best. Mine weren't either. The goal is simply learning. Experience is becoming more valuable online. People are tired of hype. They want someone who will simply say, I used this. If you're over 50 and looking for something that doesn't require you to become someone you're not, just be honest on camera about things you already use. This might be your open door. Full breakdown of associates versus influencer is linked below if you want to see which one's right for you. Follow or subscribe to learn more. See you next time.